All right, you have your finances in order, you're ready to start the pre-approval process. Now, there's an option of a pre-approval or a pre-qualification. A mortgage pre-qualification can be useful as an estimate of how much you can afford, but a pre-approval, often valid for 60 to 90 days, is more valuable. A pre-approval means that a lender has checked the buyer's credit, verified assets, and confirmed employment to approve a specific loan amount. In order to get a pre-approval, you're going to need proof of income, proof of assets, preferably ones that you don't owe or don't owe a lot on, a good credit score, proof of employment. Most lenders will want, the longer you've been employed, the better. If you have just recently changed careers or you just recently took a new position with a different salary amount at the same job, the lender is probably going to want a proof of employment letter from your employer. And then you'll also need some documents just to confirm your identity. Getting a pre-approval before you start looking is important for many reasons. A few being, once you know how much you can spend, you won't find yourself falling in love with that perfect house and finding out later that you can't afford it. Another reason is that most real estate professionals will want a client to have a pre-approval prior to doing any showings or things like that. There's two main reasons why that is. One is to show that you are indeed a serious buyer, that you're ready to start the process. The second is that pre-approvals can take a while to get sometimes. If you find the perfect home and you don't have a pre-approval, more times than not, that client will actually lose out on the deal to a different potential buyer that has already had the process done. Or you may also lose out on the deal if you go to do the pre-approval process and you find out that you can't get approved for that set amount and you thought you would. Most real estate professionals will have multiple lenders that they can recommend. Talk to your local agent today in order to find out which ones that is. It's time to find your perfect home, and the next step in doing that is getting the pre-approval process started.